Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am showing you motorbike name intro. Let's go started. First of all, you should to open Pixel app. Background should be black. Now you can type your name that you want to use. Name color, you want to use any color and you can use your preferable font. Background should be black. Then import from gallery. I have a motorbike that has background black and gray color motorbike. You can download it from Google. I already downloaded it. Sorry for some noise. Then save this. It should be ultra mode. Then go to background eraser and open that you already saved images, and now using auto tools for remove the bike color. You should remove the bike color and your name fill color should remove. Very carefully remove this. Using 2 or 3 step, then save it. Then go to the Kinemaster software. I already have a background smoke colorful intro that I already downloaded from Google. You can download it from Google. I'm using this intro, colorful smoke intro, for background. Then layer, go to layer and then go to media and import the eraser image that we edited. Sorry, I edited. Then play it. Just adjusting, yeah. Then play it. You can see this colorful name intro. Cut it the extra video using trim tool. Cut it the extra video, then play it again. Some adjustment. Then go to audio and select the song. For background I am using this song. You can using your preferable song that you want to use the intro. Complete the intro video, name intro video with the byte, then save it, and hope you like to enjoy my video. If you want